knock the shit out of you. I swear to God, you cough in my motherfucking face, and I'ma knock you, and I'ma knock your motherfucking ass the fuck out.
Your pretty little mother be burning a little son.
I'll knock your fucking ass out, bitch. You cough in my face, you fucking fat,
Your
nasty,
mama will
ugly
be burying
bitch.
her son.
Yeah, whatever. Take
Yeah,
that,
whatever.
do your hair, you ugly monster-looking, gorilla-looking bitch. Fucking gorilla-looking bitch. Fucking with the wrong fucking person.
Nigga, I said I'm more manly than you.
It's alright. But look how you look. You are ugly, bitch. And look at me. Okay, I'm gonna shut up because your baby there. And let me move away from. I'm talking about her. I'm gonna respect her.
You don't even have no
I'm gonna respect her because the baby's here. You fucking gorilla bitch.
That's alright.
Look at you. Cover your fucking mouth, you fucking gorilla.
I'll be one.
You ugly bitch.
Okay, girl.
Yeah, alright, whatever. But I look better than you.
You sure don't.
I look at you. You dirty rag on your fucking head, you dirty bitch. I'ma shut up now because the baby's there.
You should have been shut.
Magilla gorilla.
I forgot your pretty little mother.
Magilla gorilla. You